Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk Channel, the place where you learn English today, tomorrow, and forever. I'm Emma.
Hello, everyone. I am Rahul, and I am always right. I always win. I always look fantastic.
Rahul, really? Always? Even when you wore your shirt inside out last week?
That was a fashion statement. But, okay, maybe not always, maybe just usually.
See, that is why we are here. Today's topic is how to use always. It's a small word, but very powerful.
It means every time, 100%, no exceptions.
Exactly. But before we get it right 100% of the time, we have a request 100% of the time.
Yes, please always subscribe to Easy English Talk.
And always click the like button. It never gets old.
Okay, Emma, point 1, the meaning. As I said, it means at all times or on every occasion.
Correct. The sun always rises in the east. Fact. I always brush my teeth before bed. Habit.
I always eat pizza on Fridays. Tradition. If I miss one Friday, can I still say always?
Technically, no. Then you should say almost always or usually. Always is 100%. Almost always is 95%. Usually is 80%.
Okay, I almost always eat pizza because one time I had a salad. It was a sad day.
Point 2, the position. Where do we put the word in the sentence? Rahul, say this. I drink coffee. Add always.
Always I drink coffee?
No.
I drink always coffee?
No.
I drink coffee always.
Grammatically okay, but sounds poetic. The most natural place is before the main verb. I always drink coffee.
Ah, the sandwich rule. Subject, always, verb. I always sleep. She always sings.
Perfect. But there is an exception. The verb to be, am, is, are, always goes after to be.
English is tricky, so I am always happy, not I always am happy.
Exactly. He is always late. They are always hungry.
Okay, action verbs before, I always run, to be after, I am always tired.
Point 3, the annoying habit. This is a fun one. We usually use present simple with always, but we can use present continuous, ing, to complain about something annoying.
Complain? I'm good at complaining.
Listen to this. He's always losing his keys.
Hey, that's about me. He's always losing his keys. Why ing?
Because it happens too often and it's irritating. You're always checking your phone. She's always talking during the movie.
You're always correcting my grammar.
That's my job. But yes, you used it perfectly. It shows emotion.
So if I say, I always lose my keys, it's just a fact. If I say, I'm always losing my keys, it means, I'm stupid.
Exactly. The ing adds drama.
I love drama. Always.
Let's recap so we remember this forever.
Let's break it down.
Point 1, the meaning. 100% of the time, no breaks. The sky is always above us.
Point 2, the position. Put it before the action verb. I always forget names.
Point 3, the position to be. Put it after am, is, are. He is always nice.
Point 4, the drama. Use is always ing for annoying habits. My neighbor is always playing loud drums.
Point 5, the antonym. The opposite of always is never, 0%.
I never eat salad. I always eat pizza.
Consistent choices, Rahul.
Well, always stay true to yourself.
Listeners, we have a question for you.
Yes, in the comments below, tell us what is something you always do in the morning.
Do you always hit the snooze button? Do you always drink water?
I always look for my left sock.
Tell us your routine in English.
So please, write a comment and always subscribe to Easy English Talk.
Give us a big thumbs up. It always makes us smile.
Thank you for listening.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. I always forget how to turn off the microphone. Is it this button?